a chip tasting party, and we had 3 mystery flavors. Everyone was very unsure. Everyone wrote down their guesses.
I think flavor 1 is carbonara sauce something. Flavor 2 has fish for sure. Shrimp. Flavor 3, I still don't know what it is.
Flavor 1, dill. It's definitely fishy. Shrimp or something. Flavor 3, I'm not so sure. I'm thinking maybe chicken.
Okay, I think flavor 1 is chive and onion. Number 2 is shrimp. Number 3 is turkey.
I think flavor 1 is seaweed. Flavor 2 is something about onion. I just put onions. I think the third one is cumin lime.
Okay, so the mystery flavor 1 is seaweed. The mystery flavor 2 is roasted garlic and oyster. The mystery flavor number 3 is roasted cumin and lamb.